Hi guys, today I'm going to be making a soft girl makeup look. So I really hope you enjoyed this. I looked at my previous intro for this and it was really, I was looking rough, so I was like, I'm not about to be putting that on the internet for people to see. No. This is me editing right now, future Birgitta. You've already seen my look, but if you want to see how I achieved it, then continue watching the video. Bye! Okay, so the first thing that I usually do is I start off by using some gel. So what are you guys going to be wearing for Halloween? Do you guys celebrate Halloween? Like, tell me. Most people are like, oh, I don't celebrate Halloween, which is fair enough. Like, everyone has different religions in that, but I don't know. Even though my parents don't like the whole idea of Halloween, I wouldn't say I still do it, but that's kind of horrible. So then I go in with these 4 cute little clips that I bought just recently off of Depop. This is what they look like. They're really cute. I kind of got excited with my last pay and I was like, I need to buy shit, so that's what I'm doing. I don't know if I should do pink, pink, purple, purple, but I think I'm gonna do pink. Wait, I don't know. Hang on. Yeah, I'm gonna do pink, pink, and purple, purple. So as you can see, it's not perfect, but I'm wearing a wig, so this little pooch that I have, and I select which earrings I'm gonna wear. Now I've got these like mermaid tail ones. I have these ordinary star ones. So I'm gonna see which one goes best with my bare face. So that's the star one. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go for the mermaid tail. I mean, whatever. Come on. I know my ear is stretched, but please. I've shoved it into the hole here. Oh my god, where's my other eyelash gone? Thought I lost it. Okay, you're here. Let's put you on the table here. Texture of this is really gross, but like, that sounds so wrong. this is the finished look. I don't know. Ooh, girl. This is the finished look of the soft girl look that I incorporated. I kind of have done it like twice already, and I was like, maybe I should do this as a YouTube video, and I did. So I really hope you guys like it. Oh my god, this is the toothbrush. I was like, there are certain types of toothbrushes that is used for your hair. Right, so I'm sorry, I keep getting carried away. If you want to subscribe, that would be freaking awesome. That would actually make my day, I'm not gonna lie. All of my social media will be in the description down below, wherever's most comfortable for your eyes. Have a great day, take care, and if you did this makeup look, definitely feel free to send it to me on Instagram so I can see how you did, and yeah, be freaking awesome. Have a lovely day, take care, and peace out. I'm really trying so hard to show this off.